morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and have done the homework also. Okay, means completed exercise 6.1. Let's move to exercise 6.2 and we have studied the laws of exponents. Today we are going to use all the laws of exponents. Now see, 6.2 question number 1. Express each of the following in exponential form. As the question is, you have to convert the given question in the form of exponent. Exponent means a question answer you have to write in the form of powers. Okay, so see, minus meaning as it is. Now you have to find the factors. To write in exponential form, you have to find the factors of 343 as well as the factors of 1331. Now when you find the factors of 343, here I am writing direct the factors, you are getting 7 into 7 3 times. Okay, and when you find the factors of 1331, you are getting 11 3 times. Okay, now see, this minus will be as it is. Now 7 how many times you got? 3 times, and 11 also how many times you got? 3 times. Now here you can see the base is different but the power is same. So this can be written as now minus 7 by 11 whole raised to the power 3. As you can see, the power is same. So you can take bracket and write the power as 3. It shows that 3 is the power of numerator as well as the power of denominator. Now let's see this 1 by 6561. Now the factors of 1 is 1 only. Now when you find the factors of 6561, you will get this 3 8 times. You have to find the factors in rough children. So 3 you are getting 8 times. So 1 by 3 raised to the power 8 you can write. And now you know 1 can, in 1 for 1 you can take any power. So answer will be 1 only. So 1 by 3 whole raised to the power 8. You know 1 raised to the power 8 is always 1 and 3 raised to the power 8 is there in the denominator. Now let's see question number 2. It's first sum. Question is write 9 into 9 into 9 in exponential form taking base as 3. Means you have to take base as 3 and now here the base is what? 9. We have to change this 9 into 3. So what you will do? Very easy. See, your question is what? 9 into 9 into 9. Now see, this 9 can be written as 3 into 3 because we want the base as 3. Again second 9, 3 into 3. See, 3 into 3 is 9. Again 3 into 3. Okay, so in place of 9, you can write 3 into 3 because 3 is a 9. Now base you got 3. Base is what now? 3. And how many times 3 is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 raised to the power 6. Let's match with the question. We have to write this question in exponential form by taking base as 3. Now in this way, second example is also there. 8 into 8 into 8. You have to write in exponential form taking base as 2. So you have to find the factors of 8 by taking base as 2. Okay. Now let's move to, this is your homework. Now let's move to question number 3. Simplify. Let's see question number 3. Simplify. Now see, here bracket is given there and power is given inside the bracket as well as out of the bracket. Now you know which law we have to use. We have to use which law? We have to multiply these powers. So bracket shows that this power 2 is of this 2 raised to the power 3 as well as for this 2. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Let me write like this. Into 2, here the power is 1, 2 ones are 2 or directly you can write 2. So which law we have used? Here you can write since a to the power n whole raised to the power n is equal a to the power n. You have to give the reason that which law you have used here. Okay, now let's just simplify. 2, 3 2s are 6 into 2 square. Okay, now children, again we can use the law. You can see the base is same and there is multiplication sign, so you have to always add the powers. So what you will write now? 2 6 plus 2, and here what we have used, a to the power n into a to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus n. This law you have used. Okay, so here you will get the answer 2 raised to the power 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Okay, so this is how to simplify by using the law. You can find its answer also, or up to this also you can write. Okay, so wherever you are using the law, you have to mention it. Now let's see this example. So you can see the sums become easy if we use the laws. Now see this one. First of all you check the sum, that which law you can use here. You can direct also use the laws. There are two ways you can solve this sum. Let's see what is that. Here 5, 5, 5. Base is everywhere same. So let me take 5 as the base. Now here 8 will be as it is. Division sign is there. Now you know when division sign is there and base is same, we have to subtract the powers. So I can write this as minus 5 and minus 3. Now let's simplify. 8 minus 5, 3. And 3 minus 3, 0. So what, and you know children, here what law we can use? Any number raised to the power 0 is what? Always 1. So here what law we have used? A raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. And here also we have used the law. Which one? A to the power n by a to the power n is equal to a to the power n minus n. Now see children, the same sum you can solve like this also. See, numerator will be as it is first. Let me use the law here. Which law? This law I am using. This one. You can see the base is same and multiplication sign, so you have to add the powers. So what I will write here? 5 raised to the power 5 plus 3 is equal to. Just simplify. 5 plus 3 is equal to what? 8. Okay. Now again I can use the law. Base is same and division sign is there. So you have to subtract the powers. So 8 minus 8 is what? 0, and 5 raised to the power 0 is what? 1. So in this way you can do the sums. Now let's see this one. Simplify the bracket first. Which law you can use, children? See. Here you can see base is same, division sign is there, so you have to subtract the powers. So you will write 3 raised to the power 20 minus 15, and this will be as it is. Okay. So here you can write the law. Okay, this is for you. Okay, now again simplify. What you will get? 20 minus 15 will be what? 5 into 3 raised to the power 3. Now see children, base is same, multiplication sign is there, so you have to add the powers, remember, and you will get the answer as 3 raised to the power 8. So here again you have used the law. So children, you have to write this law. You know which law we have used? This one. Because the base is same, you have to add the powers. So in this way you can write question number 3. And question number 4 is also like this. Let's simplify few examples of question number 4 also. Let's see question number 4. Simplify. Check the question and use the correct law. See children, you can see here the base is same and division sign is there. This symbol represents division sign. So you can use the law. So what we write for this as base one time you will write and wait. Right here. Base one time you will write and subtract the powers 7 minus 3, and this will remain as it is. Now which law I use? A to the power n by a to the power n is equal to a to the power n minus n. Okay, now let's simplify. What you are getting now 2, 7 minus 3 is what? 4 into 2 raised to the power 5. Now as the bracket have been simplified, so you can remove the bracket, you will get this. Now children, again you can use the law, base is same and multiplication is sign. Multiplication sign is there, so you have to add the powers. So you will write 4 plus 5 and the answer is 2 raised to the power 9. Easy? Now let's see second example. Third one. 4 into, this is the question given there. Now let's check the base where the base is same. Okay, you can see here 2 is there, here 2 and here also 2. So you can use the law. Okay, now again remember, see one more thing, this 4 can be written as in the form of, in the exponential form by taking base as 2. See, you know 4 means what are the factors of 4? 2 into 2. So let's see. 4 in factors of 4 is 2 into 2 means 2 square. Okay, into 3 to the power 4. Let me keep all this as it is first. Okay, now I will use the law where the base is same. Here base is same, here also. Let's use the law. When I will use the law here in the numerator, because in the numerator multiplication sign is there, so these powers will be added. 2 plus 4. Now division sign is there, so if no power is there, so what is there? 1. So this power will be subtracted, so minus 1 and here also minus 5. Now what is left? This all we have solved, only 3 raised to the power 4 is left. So write this as it is. Okay, now simplify. 2 plus 4 6, 6 minus 1 5 and 5 minus 5 0. So when you simplify, what you got? 2 raised to the power 0 into 3 raised to the power 4. Now you know the law that any number raised to the power 0 is always 1 into 3 raised to the power 4, and here you write the law, this law we have used. And now when you multiply what with any number, answer is number itself. So what is the answer here? 3 raised to the power 4. Now let's see this example. Here what is the base? 3 and here 9. Now we can change, we can convert 9 into 3, but we cannot change 3 into 9. Means 9 can be written by taking 3 as the base. So let's do that first. This is 3, this will be given as it is, let's write as it is. Now 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, and this square is already there. Remember children, take care while writing the step. See, 9 can be written as this 9. Can be written as 3 square, and this square power is already there. So write properly into a to the power 3. Now let's simplify. Numerator as it is. Now you know here we can use the law, multiply the powers. So 2 2s are 4 into a cube. Now children see this 3 and 3 base is same, and here a base is same. So let's use and division sign. Let's use the law. 6 minus 4 into a. What is the power here? 5. Division sign, so you have to take minus and power 3. Now simplify. 6 minus 4 is what? 2 into a raised to the power 5 minus 3 is also 2. Now children, you can see the base is different, but the power is what? Same. So how can you write by using the law? Take bracket, write 3a and whole square. Okay, so this will be the answer for this question. See, when the power is same and multiplication sign is there, so 3a you take and take whole bracket and write the power. Okay, so in this way children, we have completed question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in the next lecture we are going to study rest of the sums of this exercise. Okay, so work hard, practice more, then everything is easy for you. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.